Don't you hate it when you go to start your riding mower and nothing happens? Even after you go to your battery and you check all your cables and they're nice and tight. We're gonna swing on over underneath the battery tray. And this is our fuse right here. We're gonna take it out and check. You can see there's a break in it. We're gonna replace it with a good one. Be sure to visit my channel, check out all my full-length videos.